Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I am doing another ribbon pour, but this one I'm doing a little different. So basically I'm going to be using these colours here and filling up these 3 cups and doing 3 lots of pouring out. It's mostly going to be the white, which is Amsterdam titanium white. Probably going to put that in between every layer of colour. So I've got Amsterdam Payne's Grey, Amsterdam Prussian Phthalo Blue, Arteza Aztec Gold, and Mont, I think that's Sea Green. Mont Sea Green. So these 2 are metallics and these aren't. So let's get started. Okay, I also did get out my swipe mix, my white, just in case I want to run through the colours with some swipes. So I'm going to put white in the bottom of each of these cups. Not a huge amount. This is a 20 by 20 inch canvas, and I think these are my most colourful colours, so I'm going to pour a bit of each. And let's layer it. Let's go down the side. I want to do reasonably thick layers, I think. Often I don't, but I'm experimenting a bit at the moment, trying a few different things. And I'm going to go my white again. Might put Payne's Grey in this one. Some blue here. Prussian Phthalo Blue. I'll keep a little bit for my last cup. Might have gone too thick. And the white. And put some gold. There. Finish off my Prussian Phthalo Blue. Might scrape that out because I'd like a bit more of that in there. So I kind of want that to be my main colour. What will I put here? Let's go the sea green. I think I've only got the Payne's Grey in one. Maybe I'll add it a little bit to the top of these 2. And this one I'll add some more gold. Now my pouring medium today is a little bit different. Let's put the Payne's Grey on the top of these 2. Just because I'm experimenting. Got a little bit of white left there, which I could pour in between these. Now in the last one I did mix a little bit. I might do that with this one, but I'm just going to sort of mix the top, just get a bit of that grey through. Let's pour this one out first and see how it looks. Alright, we're going to go through the middle. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I need that to fill up a bit. Should I put a bit of white in there? Oh, I didn't want that drop. That's okay. Just going to fill this up. There we go. Love that. I'm going to go here next. Now I think I'm going to go a little bit slower and I'm going to mix that top again. I'm going to see if I can make sure that they all touch. I love the lacing through here. Alright, just going to pop that there. Oh, that's even cool. Alright, I'm going to mix the top through again. Let's turn it around so I can reach it easier. Not much happening through there, and that's where I could lay down a swipe if I want. I love this. How come I got so much lacing on the first one? Let me come back. Yeah. Get some gold there. It's cool. All right. The first one was the best. And I went really fast with that, so I wonder if that's why. I'm going to do a swipe through there. I might have to get a smaller swipe to do up here, I think. Let's see what happens. I'm going to swipe with white. Definitely want to grab this dark colour here. Okay. It's all pretty. I'm going to try and keep this. So I'm just adding some white for it to roll over. Maybe green. Just put a bit of gold here. Alright, so I'm going to do another swipe. This will be my last one because I want this character through here. So I love this area the most. How do I keep all of that? This is where it gets tricky. That's so cool. That was from the first cup. Why did the first cup work so well? I'm going to take a strip of blue through here too. Any details I'm going to try and add now so that it stretches nicely. Alright, have we got enough paint? Wet my very corners with white. Got a little bit here. I'm going to stretch this out. There's a lot more of the sea green than I expected. I think I want to stretch this way first because I want to keep that, which means I'm going to add a bit more white. Okay. Just going to get a spoon. I'm just going to smooth this out. So that if some of that white remains, it looks cool. Like that. Bring it back to the middle. See a little something. Bring it back down to the middle. We'll go this way. No, we'll go this way. Well, we've still got a bit of paint to control it. Okay, this up here is gorgeous, which as I stretch down this way, that's going to stretch out more. I'm just going to check the edges before I tilt it, make sure they're all covered. The other good thing about doing that is I just walked around it and saw all the different angles. Okay, I think I'm actually not going to tilt it anymore. The edges are all good and I like the composition. I just love this bit through here. That is so pretty. It's my favourite. I don't want to stretch it down more though, because then I'm going to lose the balance. There's lots of this sea green, which is a metallic, so that's going to... And the gold's a metallic. And I've seen this gold dry on one of my other paintings and it's beautiful. And then there's this lacing here is going to be laced with gold. Bit of gold through there as well. All right, I will bring you down for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result. The lacing's good. I love that bit through there. This is the natural lacing that happened, which was quite unusual, and we've got the same here. That all came out of the cup, so I'm going to have to watch this back to see how that happened. But this is my absolute favourite bit up here. I can't wait to see this dry. See how those metallics go. There's a big block of gold. A couple of big blocks. And that sea green, that's metallic as well. That's the Mont metallic. So this will be interesting. I will bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result. And let's take a few angles because you can really get the idea of the shine on the gold as I move around. Bit of a shadow from the from the camera there, but up here, let's see if I can get some extra light. You can see the gold lacing there through. I don't know if you can see the shine, whether I'm capturing that at all, but it looks pretty good in reality. Yeah, I'm really happy with this one. Ooh. I like the style, and I think it's got quite modern colours in it. Would look good in a bedroom or something. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like this one? Let me know in the comments below. I'd also like you to give me an idea of what kind of fluid art you'd like to see me doing. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.